gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Foldable phones aren't exactly new anymore, but have you ever come across one where the crease is almost impossible to spot? Today we're taking a look at the OPPO Find N6, which is being called the flattest foldable phone in the world. Let's be real for a second. Most foldable screens come with some obvious compromises. When you're watching videos, that crease can cut right through faces and ruin the experience. When you swipe across the display, you can actually feel that dip. And over time, it only gets worse. The crease becomes more visible and the display clarity starts to suffer. But the Find N6 changes that story completely. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Take a look at it from the front or even under angled lighting and the crease is barely noticeable. I even zoomed in with a close-up shot and honestly, it looks like a perfectly flat surface, almost like a tablet screen. Run your finger across it and it feels smooth all the way through. I even tried opening and closing it 100 times in a row, and the crease still looks just as subtle as before, with no signs of getting deeper. So what makes this possible? It comes down to two key technologies, a next-gen titanium alloy dome hinge and a new dome memory glass. The hinge is built using aerospace-grade titanium and produced with 3D printing, which gives it incredible strength and keeps it from flattening out like traditional hinges. As for the glass, it actually has a self-repairing ability. Small dents can gradually smooth out on their own within a couple of hours. The durability here is no joke either. The OPPO Find N6 has passed Tuvey Rhineland's 5 cents crease test, surviving 600,000 folds while maintaining its flatness. Even after long-term testing, it holds up impressively well, proving that this isn't just marketing, it's built to last. In fact, some international reports have even suggested that Apple's foldable concepts might be taking inspiration from OPPO's approach, which really says something about how far this technology has come. On top of that, the inner display has improved resistance to both punctures and pressure, up by 16% and 30% respectively. So even if you accidentally keep it in the same pocket as your keys, you don't have to stress too much. It's clearly designed with everyday use in mind. Now, beyond just solving the crease issue, the overall display experience is just as important. You get an 8.112-inch inner screen and a 6.62-inch outer screen, which feels like a perfect combination. The outer display handles your daily tasks like messaging and calls with ease, while the inner screen is ideal for watching content or getting work done. Switching between the two feels natural and seamless. One standout feature here is the brightness. Both displays can hit a peak brightness of 1900 nits, which is a solid 30% jump over the previous generation. Even under harsh sunlight, everything stays clear without that washed out effect. At the same time, the minimum brightness drops down to just 1 nit, so using the phone in the dark is comfortable, with no glare or eye strain. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in daily use. When it comes to design, the Find N6 strikes a really nice balance between being premium and incredibly slim. It weighs just 225 grams, measures 8.93 millimeters when folded, and only 4.21 millimeters when unfolded. That's actually thinner and lighter than many standard smartphones. In hand, it feels almost weightless, and even long gaming sessions in landscape mode are surprisingly comfortable. The unit I have here comes in the e-ink inspired color finish, which gives off a subtle gray tone with a refined shine. The back panel uses a fine sandblasted texture that feels smooth and premium, giving it a classy look without being too flashy. It's a design that works equally well in professional settings or everyday use. There are also other color options like gold orange, which is more vibrant, and deep black, which keeps things minimal and elegant. Around the back, the camera module features a dual ring design with a copper core. The outer ring is glossy, while the inner ring has a matte finish, creating a nice contrast. The 4 camera lenses are symmetrically arranged around the Hasselblad H logo, giving it a very balanced and polished look. When light hits it at different angles, the reflections add a really satisfying visual effect. And finally, durability goes beyond just the screen. This phone comes with full waterproof protection supporting IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings. Whether it's Accidental splashes, heavy rain, or even brief submersion, it can handle it. Just dry it off and you're good to go. It also performs reliably in temperatures as low as 9 to 20 degrees Celsius, making it suitable even for harsh winter conditions. Overall, the build quality here feels seriously tough and dependable. For a flagship foldable, you'd expect the cameras to deliver, and the Find N6 absolutely does not disappoint. It comes equipped with a Hasselblad-backed quad camera system, something you rarely see on a foldable. The setup includes a massive 200 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a periscope telephoto camera, and a dedicated color reproduction lens. With full focal length coverage, it's more than capable of handling everyday photography with ease. When you actually start taking photos, the results speak for themselves. Shots captured with the 200 megapixel main camera are incredibly detailed, and even when you zoom into distant buildings, the clarity holds up impressively well. There's also that signature Hasselblad look, especially in master mode, where colors appear natural and balanced, often requiring little to no editing. Switch over to X Pen mode and the whole shooting experience feels more refined, almost like using a professional Hasselblad camera from capture to final output. The periscope telephoto lens supports 3-eyes optical zoom, letting you capture faraway subjects with sharp detail, and it even doubles as a macro shooter with a 10-centimeter focus distance, delivering surprisingly intricate close-up shots. Then there's the color reproduction lens, which plays a key role in keeping tones realistic across different lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low light, skin tones stay accurate, and portrait shots come out with a natural-looking background blur that feels polished and professional. One of the biggest advantages of a foldable like this is how you interact with your photos. Previewing shots on the large inner display makes a huge difference. It's easier to check details, frame your composition, and fine-tune your shots. It really highlights how foldable screens can enhance the overall photography experience. Moving on to performance, the Find N6 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 processor, paired with OPPO's Tide engine for smart performance management. This combination ensures that the phone runs smoothly without unnecessary power consumption or lag. In benchmark tests, it scored over 4.1 million on Antutu with a single-core score of 3524 and a multi-core score of 81150, which is more than enough for both daily tasks and heavy workloads. In real-world usage, the performance holds up just as well. Running Genshin Impact at maximum graphics settings, the phone maintained a steady 60 FPS without any noticeable stutter or frame drops. Even after extended gaming sessions, it stayed relatively cool, thanks to the improved heat dissipation design of the foldable form factor. When playing Honor of Kings, it performed even better, delivering a smooth 120 FPS experience with responsive controls. The large foldable display also enhances gameplay by offering a wider field of view, making everything feel more immersive. Battery life is another strong point. The Find N6 packs a 6,000 mAh battery, the largest ever in an OPPO foldable flagship. With regular daily use, it easily lasts through the day, and you'll still have charge left by the time you get home, reducing the need for constant charging. When you do need to top up, the charging speeds are impressive. With 80-watt wired fast charging, it reaches 20% in just 10 minutes, 51% in 30 minutes, and a full charge in about 66 minutes. There's also 50-watt wireless fast charging, making it convenient to power up without cables. On the software side, ColorOS 16 is highly optimized, especially for foldable multitasking. The panoramic free window feature stands out as one of the most intuitive split-screen systems available. You can open multiple apps at once, freely adjust their sizes, and move them around as needed. Switching between full screen and floating windows is as simple as a quick gesture, and double tapping instantly enlarges a window. You can even arrange up to 3 panoramic virtual screens horizontally or vertically, and with a simple 4-finger pinch, organize everything neatly. Running up to 4 apps simultaneously allows you to read documents, chat, and attend meetings all at once, significantly boosting productivity. OPPO has also introduced something new here, an AI stylus designed specifically for its foldable lineup. It attaches magnetically to a dedicated case for charging and powers up fully in just 16 minutes. Even a quick 3-minute charge gives you enough battery for an hour of writing. There's a dedicated physical AI button that instantly opens a function wheel, making it super easy to take notes or annotate content anywhere on the system. You can sketch something quickly and turn it into a clean, professional chart, and handwritten notes can be automatically refined into neat, readable text. It even has the ability to solve handwritten formulas, which can be incredibly useful for both work and study. Combined with the large foldable screen, the stylus adds a whole new level of productivity. As for pricing, the base version of the OPPO Find N6 starts at 9,999 yuan in China, which roughly converts to around 1,087 pounds in the UK and about 1,452 US dollars. To wrap it all up, the biggest highlight of the Find N6 is how effectively it tackles the crease issue that has long been a drawback of foldable phones. For anyone who's been bothered by creases, this device delivers a near seamless display that feels and looks like a traditional flat screen. Pair that with its slim and lightweight design, powerful performance, strong camera system, and a highly optimized user experience, and it becomes a very practical device for everyday use. It's fair to say that in 2026, the OPPO Find N6 sets a new benchmark for foldable smartphones, proving that they're no longer just experimental gadgets, but reliable devices ready for mainstream use. Behind all of this is OPPO's commitment to pushing technology forward and making premium innovations accessible, turning foldables from niche products into something people can confidently rely on every day.